रूपी मोतीले सबके माला एक बनानी है। गुण रूपी मोतीले सबके माला एक बनानी है।
एक स्नेह के धागे से हो, एक स्नेह के धागे से विश्व एक तालानी है।
एक तालानी है। गुण रूपी मोतीले सबके माला एक बनानी है। गुण रूपी मोतीले सबके माला एक बनानी है।
ओम शांति।
आज है भाई दूज।
Today is Bhai Dooj. So, our supreme,
परम प्रिय, परम
sweet, loving Father, Shiv Baba's children, all souls are brothers.
भाई भाई हैं।
So today, on Bhai Dooj, a brother wishes to all brothers greetings, greetings, greetings.
बधाई हो। आज की
Morning Murali dated 7th November 2010.
आज की ज्ञान
It is Avyakt Babdada's Murali. Revised course date 15th May 1972.
आज की ज्ञान मुरली का
The title is The way to create an elevated stage is to be incorporeal, to have the ornaments, and to be a benefactor. Do you take every step considering yourself to be multi-million times fortunate? A lotus flower is also called Padam, multi-million times. Only by being a loving and detached as a lotus flower at every step do you earn multi-millions at every step. Have you become such elevated souls? Have you created both types of stage? You have multi-millions at every step, and so you have become the masters of so many treasures. Do you experience yourself to be eternally wealthy, prosperous, extremely lovely, and unique? Check that not a single step is taken whereby you are not in the stage of lotus, and thereby do not earn multi-millions. At this time, you become such multimillionaires, that is, prosperous with imperishable wealth, that you are therefore remembered as the most prosperous ones throughout the whole cycle. For half the cycle, you climb right to the constant kingdom of the world, the kingdom where there are no obstacles. And then, for half the cycle, the devotees sing praise of the stage of yours. When any devotee experiences something lacking in his life, to whom does he go? The images of your memories. They receive temporary relief from weakness and problems from images of your memorials. For the whole cycle, for practical and memorial form, you become always prosperous, mighty, righteous, and one who bestows blessings. What is the basis of fortune? Sacrifice. Do you experience yourself as all fortunate and great sacrificer? One who sacrifices everything in the present becomes most fortunate in future. Our sacrifice also makes others fortunate, because Father has sacrificed himself. Only then you all souls have received fortune. During initial stage, one had to sacrifice all comforts that created this fortune. More you sacrifice, more you create fortune for others. This is the reason heirs are hidden. Hence, create powerful thoughts to become the great charitable soul, receiving all gifts in abundance, having all comforts, but do not get trapped in the comforts, but remain in practice. Bap Dada has given you all children the authority to create line of fortune for each and every soul. It should not happen that lack of sacrifice hampers the creation of fortune of many souls. This is a great responsibility. Blessing. May you be a conqueror of Maya and a conqueror of attachment by divorcing all relations with Maya and making a deal with relationships of the Father. Now cancel your old deal in your awareness and become single. You may remain cooperative with one another, but not companions. Make only the one your companion, and you will be able to divorce the relationships of Maya. You will then become a conqueror of Maya and a conqueror of attachment. If there is the slightest attachment to anyone, then instead of being an intense effort maker, you will just become an effort maker. Therefore, no matter what happens, continue to dance in happiness. Let there be death for the prey and happiness for the hunter. This is known as being a destroyer of attachment. Those who are such destroyers of attachment become beads of the rosary of victory. Slogan: increase the sparkle of diamond with the speciality of truth. Hence, being in remembrance of very sweet Baba, improve truthfulness. Truthfulness of purity needs to shine like a diamond. Om Shanti. Om Shanti.
विजयी मोती ज्ञान सूई से पिरोते जाना है।
हर विजयी मोती ज्ञान सूई से पिरोते जाना है।
देवलोक की शोभा बढ़े हो, देवलोक की शोभा बढ़े, अब देवी हार सजाना है। इस माला के हर मोती में चमक रूहानी लानी है, हाँ चमक रूहानी लानी है। गुण रूपी मोती ले सबके माला एक बनानी है। गुण रूपी मोती ले सबके माला एक बनानी है।